Mop and pop. Mop. Mop is a noun that refers to a cleaning tool typically made of absorbent material like cloth or sponge attached to a handle. It is used to wipe or clean floors by absorbing liquid and dirt. Examples: she used a mop to clean up the spilled juice on the kitchen floor. The janitor mopped the hallway to make it spotless. Pop. Pop can be a verb or a noun. As a verb, it can mean to make a sudden, sharp, or explosive sound. As a noun, it can refer to a type of music characterized by a catchy tune and a lively rhythm, or a carbonated beverage. Examples: the balloon popped loudly when she accidentally pricked it with a pin. He popped the champagne bottle to celebrate the special occasion. Differences: the main difference between mop and pop lies in their meanings and usage. Mop is specifically a tool used for cleaning, while pop can refer to sounds, music, or even a type of beverage. They belong to different categories of words. Mop is a noun, while pop can function as both a verb and a noun. Despite their differences, both mop and pop are short, monosyllabic words that are easy to pronounce and remember. They showcase the versatility of the English language in having words with multiple meanings and functions.